Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Narina Kaval and I am affiliate marketer. I'm helping the people how they can make money online and how they can make passive income. So in this video, I will explain you how you can work with Amazon. There is three types you can work with Amazon. First of all, Amazon FBA. The second number is Amazon FBM and third one is work with as Amazon affiliate. So first of all, I will explain you how Amazon FBA work. It's mean fulfillment by Amazon. So first step is this is you and you want to make money on Amazon FBA. So simply first step you want to work with Amazon. So first of all, you need to purchase a product, you need to invest, right? And first you need to select the product which is has high demand. You need to select the product and order into different countries like China and other different countries. You just import the product and send to the Amazon warehouse, directly sent to Amazon warehouse, and Amazon will be shipped to your customer. So when your product sale, then you will get commission. So now I will explain this model. First step, this is you and you want to make money on Amazon FBA. Second step is find a profitable product that already on demand on Amazon. So the you need to find the product which has already value on Amazon. So the product it's mean you need to choose that product which is customer buy it again and again. So not only one time, you need to think about the you select the product which is customer buy it one time, second time, third time. You need to make your customer. So you can select like a protein shake. You can select product like needs which are people are buy again and again. Second step, third step is find a supplier on manufacturer for your chosen product. So you need to order the product, right? And from different countries, China, Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh, anywhere, Vietnam, and where you think this product is good for this country, you just order the product and directly it go to Amazon warehouse. Step 4 is send it to Amazon fulfillment center, and step number 5 is Amazon FBA will pack, fulfill, and ship the product for you. So sixth step is when your product is buy, you will get your money and profit, right? So basically in Amazon FBA you need to invest and wait is your product sale, and not when your product sale then you will get profit, right? So this is Amazon FBA. First step you need to invest, and second step you need to order in different countries and go to Amazon warehouse, and then when customer buy the product from Amazon, then you will get profit. So Amazon will be work for you in this case, right? So this is Amazon FBA. So second is Amazon FBM. Now I will explain about FBM. So Amazon FBM is basically fulfilled by merchandise. It's mean you order the product and ship into your home. You just label it and create the product. It's simply you need to create the product, right? And once you create the product, you need to add in the Amazon. You need to post the ad on Amazon. You see when you order the product on Amazon, there is little bit option sponsored by this and this. So this is basically you add the post the ad on Amazon, right? So this is FBM. You create a product and you when Amazon get order, it's your responsibility. You ship it and deliver to your customer. So in this case you need to pay every month Amazon, right? So this is Amazon FBM model. So first model is FBM and second model is FBM. So both are work with Amazon, right? So Second, Amazon charge a fee for its service. Amazon will be charged. Great if you are working alone or new selling on Amazon. So this is a FBM model. So in both cases you need to invest, right? So like you have money and you need to create a product and order the product and shipping and delivering process, right? And also you need to pay Amazon. So I have third option. If you have no money, no worry, you just need to zero investment. You just need to go Amazon and check the Amazon affiliate, right? So here you can see I make a video on YouTube about how to affiliate with Amazon. Simply you just need to go Amazon. There is affiliate program. You need to sign up and get the link of product. When someone buy the product, you will get commission. So this is Amazon affiliate, and you can start it with zero investment. No shipping, no product creation, no delivery, nothing, anything. So you don't need to pay Amazon. So in FBM, FBA, both are monthly fee to Amazon and product creation, investment, everything. So in affiliate you don't need to anything invest. You just apply Amazon link, affiliate link, and once you get the link, you just need to promote into your social media account. That's it. Now I will show you example about how to affiliate with Amazon, how the people are working with as Amazon affiliate. So you can promote into your TikTok, you can promote into Facebook. Think where your traffic is coming. People are coming on Facebook or Insta or TikTok. You just need to put the link into your um social media. So this is Amazon affiliate. If you want to being affiliate with Amazon, you just go to my first video, second video on I make the step by step how you can affiliate with Amazon. So this is how you can affiliate with Amazon. Now I'm going to show you example how you can work as Amazon affiliate. So let's move on. And you can see this is a guy who is promoting Amazon product, and you can see these are all Amazon product, right? He just taking the video from Amazon and putting his TikTok account and promoting it. When someone buy any of product, he will get commission, 10% commission. So this is zero investment. You don't need to invest. You just need to get your any platform and just promote it. So I will show you how he put the link in his link tree. So he is promoting the lots of product. You can see this is product, and he just put into a link tree and promoting. When someone buy this product, and definitely he will get commission from Amazon. Amazon will be pay him, right? So this is how you can work as Amazon affiliate. So this is one example. I can show you one more example if you want as Amazon affiliate. So this is zero investment. You don't worry about investment. There is lots of people who is doing with the work with Amazon. So you can see I just try this person. You can see he's also another person who is promoting Amazon product. You can see he's not showing his face, he or she just promoting the Amazon product. When someone buy product from his link, he will get commission. So this is Amazon affiliate, right? So one more thing, and if you want to make page like this, you are worried about how to make this page, how to put different link into one page, you just simply go to back my YouTube channel. There is a video about how to make beacon page. So you can make your beacon page, put lot of link into one page, right? So this is how you can make your own page, put the lots of link from Amazon and promote the product. So Hopefully you clear your idea about Amazon FBA and FBM. In a video I explain about FBA and FBM. You need to invest something and create product and then work with Amazon. So the third option is as Amazon affiliate. I just show you example of how you can work as Amazon affiliate. So you can go back to my YouTube channel and watch the full video tutorial how you can work Amazon affiliate. So hopefully you like my video and your confusion is how you can work with Amazon with zero investment, right? So drop down a comment if you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.